Look at this. So beautiful in here. What time is it? (3:25) p.m. Let's check the temperature. 72 degrees Fahrenheit. Right now it says Miguel Hidalgo. Great weather for December 22nd, 2020. So this park is named Bosque de Chapultupec. That's the name of the park. Huge park with a zoo, at least 2 museums. Unfortunately, they closed due to COVID. But in my last video I made that I posted, I show where I was eating outdoors. So at least a couple places have been left open, but most of the stores where they make food, prepare food, they closed. Most of what you see are people selling stuff, souvenirs. It's like an endless line of them. I don't know how they can make money with so many people selling souvenirs. Look at that. That looks really nice over there. No. 72 degrees. And look at the leaves. How they fell due to fall. That's like in New York. Look at that guy running. Shirt sleeves, short pants. Look at that palm tree up there. Isn't that something? A palm tree sitting among other trees that you find common in upper North America. Wow. I like that. Look at the benches. That looks nice over there, but I don't want to walk over all the way over there. See what that is. So this park is Bosque de Chapultupec. It's a big park. Probably quarter the size of Central Park. Because Central Park is very big. That's traffic on the outside. Not often you get to walk around this late in December, 22nd December. without without wearing a jacket. I'm using the Swift Ogle camera. Hopefully I get some stabilization on this, because when I use the Nikon D34 35mm, people complain that I need a stabilizer. I have a stabilizer, but it's made of like steel. It's awkward, cumbersome, big. I don't want to carry that with me. And the stabilizers that I do see tend to be like over $200. So, if anybody complaining about my video shaky, well, if I have enough subscribers, I can monetize, and then I can upgrade to better equipment for more quality videos. That's about all I could say on that. You know? If you want to see clear videos without shakes, well, once I have enough. I don't know why YouTube did that. When I joined YouTube, they went by the views you had. They didn't go by, you have to have a minimum of subscribers, you know. And I'm not the kind of person. I live my life. I don't beg anybody to join anything. People want to subscribe, to subscribe. You know, I know some people do all kinds of tricks to get people to subscribe, watch your videos.